Our today's topic is about doping, which is done in semiconductor, and there are two types of semiconductor, intrinsic and extrinsic. So we are going to complete this all topics like semiconductor, what is intrinsic, extrinsic, doping, n type, p type semiconductor, all of these things. So this is topic of class 12th, chapter 1st, solid state, and this is important for chemistry student of school level, for college level, for NEET, NET and other competition exams also. So let's begin. So there are two types of semiconductor. So first of all, conductor which conduct electricity, semiconductor which conduct a little bit electricity, and insulator which is not conduct any kind of electricity. So what is conductor, semiconductor, insulator, and how they conduct electricity, not produce, how they conduct electricity. So I will make separate video on this. You can comment in the comment box if you want this video or not. Okay, so in this video we will learn about semiconductor only, and importantly what is doping. Okay, so there are two types of semiconductor. First of all, intrinsic and extrinsic. Okay, in intrinsic semiconductor, this is a pure type of semiconductor, it is pure, and in extrinsic this is impure. So impurity is added here, and this is known as doping. So any kind of impurity is adding, this process is known as doping. So first of all we will look about intrinsic, and which is known as pure semiconductor. So I am giving example of silicon. Silicon belongs to which group in periodic table? This is of 14th group. Okay, so as it is belong to 14th group, it has 4 valency. So I am drawing here a structure of a intrinsic semiconductor. As silicon has 4 valency, so it is connected by 4 silicon by bond. So this is pure type of intrinsic, pure type of semiconductor. This conduct electricity. It is thermal. If we give temperature, thermal conductivity. If we increase temperature, then it will show thermal conductivity. It means conductivity of electricity by increasing temperature. What it means? If we increase temperature, so from anywhere, if bond is broken down, and it will release its electron, and its electron move from one place to another. If its electron goes here, and here the bond will break, and then another electron from here to here. So electron continuously moving in the lattice because of temperature increment. Okay, so this is known as intrinsic semiconductor. Then about extrinsic semiconductor. So extrinsic semiconductor is of two type. P type, it means positive type, and N type. N type means negative type. Negative type because of electron, positive type because of hole. Okay, so again I am drawing the structure. Okay, so this is a pure conductor. Now we are adding impurity here. If it means that we are doing doping here, we are adding impurity. So which kind of impurity? We are first of all adding group member of it means 13th group member. 13th group member, which is I am taking here indium. Okay, I am showing it with blue color. Okay, there is a, if I have removed the silicon from here, and now I am adding indium here. Okay, so indium belong to 13th group. So as it is belong to 13 group, it has only 3 valency. Okay, so it can only connect by 3 silicon, so it has hole here. Okay, so electron is moving in this hole then to further. So because of this hole, the electricity is conducting here, so it is known as p-type semiconductor. Now I am taking example of 15th group. Now here, like arsenic. Okay, arsenic belongs to 15, so as it is belong to 15, it has 5 valency. Okay, it has 5 valency. Indium had 3 valency, it has 5 valencies. Okay, so now I am rubbing it from here. Now I am adding arsenic. I am doing doping by arsenic addition. Okay, so it has 5 valency. So as it is bonded by 4 silicon and remaining 1 electron is freely present here, so it will move in the voids and it conduct electricity. So here the electricity is conducted by electron, that's why it is known as n-type extrinsic semiconductor. So that's all about doping semiconductor, intrinsic, extrinsic and p-type, n-type. Okay, so if you like my video, hit the like button and subscribe my channel and share it with your friends and keep learning. If you have any kind of doubt or you have any kind of query, so you can DM on the page of Instagram Fast Learning Classes. And thank you for watching.